guys, today I'm gonna show you full PLL as I said in the last video. So let's get straight into it. Here's the first case where this needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go there. When you have that, do this algorithm. M2 U M U2 M prime U M2, and that will solve the edges. On to the next one. Here's the next one. This needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go here. Then do this algorithm where the edges need to go swapping. So this needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go here. Do this algorithm. M2 U prime M U2 M prime U prime M2. And I always show the algorithm on screen. So here's the next algorithm. Next one is where this needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go there. This is just when you get the block at the front and the edges are at the back that need to swap. Do this algorithm. M2 U prime, so U I mean M prime U2 M U M2. Now we'll solve the edges. On to the next case. Here's the next case. This needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go here. Apply this algorithm. So M2 U prime M prime U2 M U prime M2, and now we'll solve this. On to corners. So here's the next case for corners. This needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go. When you have that, do this algorithm. X L2 D2 L prime U prime L D2 L prime U L prime, and now solve that corner. On to the next case. Here's the next case where you have this block and these need to move around. This needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go. When you have that, do this algorithm. X prime L prime U prime U L prime D2 L U L prime D2 L2, and now we'll solve that. And I'll always put this algorithm on the screen so you can follow that if you know how to read the algorithms. On to the last algorithm. Here's the next one where these two need to swap, these two need to swap. Do this algorithm. So these two corners and these two corners need to swap each other. So this needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go here, and this needs to go here. Do this algorithm. And the edges are all solved. Do this algorithm. R2 U D R prime U R D prime R prime U R D R prime U prime R D prime R prime U prime R prime, and now we'll swap these two edges. On to adjacent swaps. Here's the adjacent swap where these two need to swap, these two need to swap. Do this algorithm. R prime U face, then do the T perm. but without doing the face. So don't do the face prime. Do the T prime and then U, and then R. And that's the first case of the adjacent. On to the next case. Here's the next case where you have the big block and these two edges need to swap and these two need to swap. When you have this case, do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, face prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, face, R2, U prime, R prime. And that will solve that. On to the next case. Here's the next case. These two need to swap, these two need to swap. When you have that case, do this algorithm. X, R2, face, R, face prime, R, U2, R prime, Y, U, R wide, U2. And that will swap these two and swap these two. On to the next case. Here's the next case. These two need to swap and these two need to swap. When you have that case, do this algorithm. R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R, D, R prime, U prime, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime. And on to the last adjacent swap. Here's the next one. These two need to swap and these two need to swap. And you know that this is the last adjacent swap. If you have these two need to swap and these two need to swap, do this algorithm. R2, face, R, U prime, R prime, face, prime, R, U2, R prime, U2, R. And that will solve it. Onto diagonal swaps. Okay, here's the first diagonal swap. These two need to swap and these two need to swap. When you have that, do this algorithm. Face, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, face prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, face, R, face prime. If you think I'm going a bit too fast, you can pause the video and read the algorithm or just pause the video. I'll leave a video in the description for how to read notation, which is how to read R. Okay, on to the next diagonal swap. Here's the next case where these two need to swap and these two need to swap. Let's cut them. When you have that case, these two need to swap and this two swap. When you have that case, do this algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R prime, D, R, D prime, R, U prime, D, R2 prime, U, R2, D prime, R2. And now we'll solve that. On to the second last diagonal case. Here's the second last case. These two need to swap and these two need to swap. So this needs to go here, this needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go here. When you have that, so like this block needs to go here and this block needs to go here. When you have that case, do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, U, R prime, face prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, face, R2, U prime, R prime, U2, R, U prime, R prime. And that will solve that case. On to the last algorithm for this video. And also, we're not doing the G perms in this video, so I will teach you in another video. So this is the last algorithm for this video. So So onto the last algorithm. Onto the last algorithm. These two need swap. These two need swap. When you have that case, do this algorithm. Wide R prime, D prime, face, wide R, U prime, wide R prime, face prime, D, R2, wide, U, R prime wide, U prime, R prime wide, face, R wide, U face prime. And that's all for all the algorithms for this video. If you want to check out the G-perms, you're gonna have to wait, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.